This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I will quickly show how you can insert SIM and SD cards into this smartphone. So at the start, equip yourself with a SIM card injection tool that you should have gotten alongside the device itself inside the packaging. If you lost it or simply can't find it, you can also use the unfolded paper clip or a needle. Also, take 1 or 2 nano SIM cards as well as a micro SD. Now take your phone, lock the screen, take off the phone case if you have one, and look at the left part of the device's frame. Here you'll find the, SIM card tray, which you can eject by inserting the injection tool or SIM tool into this little hole. Then once you feel like it has reached the bottom, push it in and the tray should pop right out. Now use your fingers or your nails specifically to take it out all the way. Align the SIM card in accordance with its respective slot, so the only thing you really gotta align is the rounded corner on the SIM card and the rounded corner on the slot itself. Now do the same for a memory card here, just align it with the slot, then make sure that it clicks in and sits comfortably, should I say, and reliably. And now return the tray back inside the smartphone. And that will be pretty much it. Both SD and SIM cards should have been already recognized. As you can tell, the mobile network is appearing now, as well as we have the SD card notification here, right? Yep, here it is. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.